Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 308. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable front wipers, you can push the lever upwards, and now you'll use them in interval mode. You can also again push it upwards to use it in slow mode, and again to use it in fast mode. Also, if you pull it downwards, you'll enable automatic wipers. To disable them, again pull the lever downwards. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.